In this video, I'll show you how to install CapCut video editor on iPhone. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now, go to your App Store. This is it. So, come on here, type in CapCut. So this is it. So what you need to do, just click on this. It's going to load up. Then you're going to be able to see this option. Download CapCut using this. So once you click on that download, you're going to be able to download CapCut on your iPhone. So I'm going to click on it. You can see you're going to be able to give it a few minutes. I think, 6 minutes for this to complete download. Okay, so right now you can see I've been able to install the CapCut video editor here on my device. So you can see, so this is it. So if I go back, I'll be able to see CapCut, so I can open it. So if you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the very next video.